During the course of our preparation, we often have several responsibilities to take care of. We have a different set of responsibilities. If you are an intern, you have a lot of work in your respective departments. If you are a homemaker, I need not really explain the kind of work which you have, which demands your presence, your time, your energy and whatnot. If you are having a clinic, obviously you have to simultaneously manage your clinic at the same time preparation. So practically, it's not always feasible to allot the entire time in a particular day for preparation. You should be ready to accept this, because as I said, often we are under assumption that we should spend almost entire day for preparation, which doesn't happen practically, which in turn leads a lot of stress, and at the end of the day we feel tired, we feel low, and we just feel like giving up. No matter how much enthusiastically we have started our preparation, most of the candidates do give up their preparation because of these reasons, because of lack of practical orientation, which is the key. Always keep that in mind, and always remember, having a practical approach towards your preparation is the key. Let not overthinking burden you with stress or negativity. Rather, no matter how much amount of time you allot, it can be 1 hour, it can be just 2 hours, it can be just 3 hours, it doesn't matter. No matter how much amount of time you can practically allot in a particular day, try to give your best, and that actually yields results. I'm not simply making these statements just to satisfy your negativity or your situation, but at practical level, when you start applying your best, even for 1 hour, 2 hours or 3 hours on a daily basis, it has a lot of positive influence on your preparation. And you know what, at the end of the day, you will have that sense of satisfaction that in spite of having numerous challenges, you're giving your best. And that satisfaction gives you hope, and you'll just maintain that momentum.